Hi everyone, are you also looking to tap into more traffic sources and promote your advertising campaign? Do you want to make the best use of your money and spend wisely on media buying? RichAds has the tools and traffic for the smart media buyers. Hi, I am Ashish Kapoor from Corporate Blogging Tips, and today in this RichAds review, I'll be talking about the sign-up process, adding funds to your advertising account, and then setting up your first advertising campaign. So let's go ahead and check out the features and the main website of RichAds. So, RichAds is a Cyprus-based advertising network, and their AdTech platform has self-serve dashboards for both advertisers and publishers. RichAds has mainly five ad formats right now, which are web push ads, calendar push ads, in-page push ads, pop ads, and direct click ads. While talking about the volume of impressions they have, RichAds advertising platform delivers over 5 billion impressions per day, and they have global coverage in over 220 countries. RichAds claims to offer advanced targeting, micro-bidding strategies, ready-made white and blacklists, API integration with your advertising platform, and automated rules, target CPA and smart CPC, along with custom creatives for your offers. You can also meet Richard's team this year in major edtech industry events like Affiliate World Europe in Barcelona, Spain, DMI Expo in Tel Aviv, Israel, and Sigma Europe in Malta. Let's go ahead and create an account as an advertiser on RichAds. To simply do this, click on Create Ads or click on Sign Up button on richads.com homepage. It takes you to the sign up form. On the sign up form, type your email address, choose your messenger, and type your username. Here, you can choose from Telegram, Skype, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. Now, after you choose your messenger, you need to choose your experience with push and pop traffic. You can choose either you have push traffic experience or the pop traffic or both. You might also have zero experience with both of them. You can choose accordingly. Next up, you need to enter your password and repeat it to confirm the password. Once you are satisfied with the password, your email, and everything filled up here, click on Get Started. After you click Get Started, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Let's set this up. Type your first name. I will type my own name right here, and then type your last name. Then you can choose your account type. It should be individual or company based on your legal entity. Next, you can choose your country. I will type my country name, India, and I can choose it from here. Now you need to type from where you heard about RichAds. You can type my name. If you're watching this video, you can also type VKYT also right here like this, and check this box for accepting the terms and conditions and click on create account. Now you need to top up your account to start advertising. Here you can make a quick top up of 150 USD, 500 USD, 3000 USD, and you can also choose the custom amount option to top up your desired amount. To make the payment, you have the option to pay via credit card, debit card, wire transfer, or cryptocurrency payments. Based on the amount you top up, you also get a account level, which we will talk later. You can make the payment using this Stripe payment processor if you choose to pay via debit or credit card. Let's go ahead and make the top up. So RichAds has three account levels. The first one is rookie. When you add $150 to your RichAds account, you get this level, and you get access to the self-serve ad platform. You can create unlimited campaigns with this plan. The next one is professional plan. To get the benefits of this plan, you have to make a minimum of $500 deposit in your account. This will get you access to the everything you get in the rookie plan. Additionally, you will get a personal ad expert who will help you set up the campaigns. Alongside, you will have access to ready-made white hat and blacklists. You also unlock traffic insights and bonus from partners in this plan. And then the third level is King. The King plan has everything that you will get in the Pro plan. Additionally, you will get priority moderation of the campaigns, on-demand creative designs, and API access. You will also get $150 of bonus when you will deposit $3,000 to your RichAds account. So after you make your first deposit, you will be assigned a level, and that you can see right on the top menu of your dashboard. So now you're all set to create your first advertising campaign in RichAds. Click on the plus icon which says new campaign button. First it will prompt you to choose the type of campaign you want to add. In this screen you will see 4 cards which says push, pops, in-page and direct click. And in this video I'll be creating an in-page push campaign to show you how it works. So click on this in-page push box and you will see this campaign setup page. This is a 4-step process in which you will first set up the ad creative, and then targeting in the next step. The third step would be to choose the goal, and the final step is to configure your budget for the campaign. So let's set up the creatives first. In creatives, for every ad set you have to type a destination URL, the title of the push notification, a short message, and a 192 by 192 pixels icon and a 492 by 328 pixels banner image. You have to make sure that your title and message of the push ad is within the allowed character limits, and the character limit is already there in the input fields. You can see the destination URL will be the URL of your landing page. If it is your own campaign, you have set up any performance analytics tool such as RedTrack, Beamob or anything, you will paste your tracking link here. The good news is that RichAds integrates with all major advertising analytics tools, so you can check out the list. I have given the link to it in the description below of this video. So you can easily set up the campaign tracking and make use of auto CPA and automated rules. RichAds integrates with all the popular trackers easily. So here is how your campaign setup will look like along with the mobile preview. You can switch to mobile and desktop previews in the right column in the creative screen, and you can see the desktop preview with the scroller dots below the ad. You can scroll it from there. You can create multiple creatives by duplicating your first creative and changing the title, message or the banners. You can even change the logo icon and everything, and that's how it works. Now this will be a perfect step to optimizing your campaign at a later stage with A/B analysis. So if you're having multiple creatives, it's a great plus for you. The RichAds platform recommends having at least 5 different ad creatives for better campaign performance. At max, you can add 10 creatives. So next up is targeting. If you choose it wisely, your campaign is going to touch the heights of revenue and you can achieve a great ROI. First, choose the country for your campaign. You can choose multiple of them. You can choose any of them. Let's choose United States. Now here comes the best part. You can precise your targeting by excluding the regions and cities as well. Let's just exclude Florida and Ohio. I'm doing this to show you that you can exclude multiple regions and cities. So next important thing is device targeting. If you want to advertise only on mobile devices, simply uncheck tablet and desktop. Moving further, the frequency capping is there. You can set up impression cap and clicks cap. If you're new to media buying, let me explain this to you. Capping is an important aspect of advertising that decides the frequency of an ad delivery to a single user. How many impressions per user in a day, a week, or a month. Up to 3 impressions per user in a single day is what I recommend. Now we come to the goal. The goal is basically your bidding strategy. You can choose a cost per click rate and a CPA goal. Also, the smart CPC optimizes bids based on the conversions, which is yet another cool feature of the platform. For some guidance on what should be your cost per click, you can navigate to Insights. That's on the top menu in your RichAds dashboard. You can find the top CPC, average CPC, and top impressions for each country. Now you can form your bidding strategy accordingly. To save your money, choose your budget wisely. In the budget section, you can choose a daily budget here. Let's say $100 per day. So if you choose ASAP, your budget is spent as soon as possible during the day, and if you choose even, your budget is spent gradually during the day. So if you want to advertise aggressively and get your budget spent as soon as possible, then you can choose this option. Next up, there are so many more options you can choose. Above 4 were the basic options that has to be there to set up a basic campaign. But next up, you can set up advanced targeting. In advanced targeting, you can precise your targeting based on the operating system like Windows or Android, and browser you can choose either Safari, Firefox, or multiple. And you can also target based on the browser language. We can choose English, and you can choose any other language on the user's browser targeting. So there are several targeting options. You can target based on the connection type, the carrier type, the internet service provider, and so on. So here's how an advanced targeting setup will look like. You can set up OS targeting, browser targeting, connection type, carrier, and everything. And once you are ready, you can also check these options: web view allowed or mainstream only, so you can get only mainstream traffic. You can also further optimize your campaign by adding sources, schedule, and automated rules to it. You can quickly add sources, then you can choose all the premium sources, or click on this drop down and choose which one to use. In the next thing, you can turn on new premium list automatically, and then you can add your custom publishers or custom sites if you have your IDs, and then you can use the micro bidding. So guys, there are several micro bidding parameters that you can use from this list, and you can make your bidding customized using these parameters. So for example, your original bid on pop campaign is 2 CPM. To make the bid for publisher ID 77889 equal to 2.5, you may use one of two parameters, one of two operations that you can choose from below, and paste it in this section. Next up, you can add schedule. By using schedule, you can clearly specify the days on which your ad will be running. If you want to disable the ad on Saturday and Sunday, you can choose all of other weekdays, and the ads won't show up in the other days. And then you can use automated rules. To use automated rules, you can definitely take help of your account manager, discuss with them, set up tracking, and you are all set to launch your first campaign on RichAds. If you are ready to launch your campaign, you can quickly click on create. At this stage, you have created a campaign successfully. Your campaign goes into the moderation queue immediately. How much time will it take? It depends on your plan. You get priority moderation in the King plan only. If you have a Pro or Rookie plan, you can have to wait for the standard moderation priority. Of once it's approved, your campaign will be active. So guys, this was how you can set up your first in-page push ad campaign on RichAds. Now here's something interesting for you. I've given the contact of the managers in the description of this video, so you can reach out to them and get help with your campaign setup. And also, if you use my promo code, which is my name Vashisht, you will get 10% bonus on your first deposit amount. So make sure you use my promo code and show it to your manager to get that 10% bonus. My special link to join RichAds is also there in the video's description. So go ahead and start advertising on RichAds today.